Welcome to the Quick Start tutorial for the Quantile Measures Manager. This tool will help you identify a student's optimal measure when multiple assessments that report quantile measures have produced significant and unexpected differences. Before you begin, be sure to have the student's state, grade, the name of each test, the date each was administered, and the resulting quantile measures nearby. You can find the tool in your Lexile and Quantile Hub All Tools page, or navigate there directly using hub.lexile.com/quantile-measures-manager. Let's begin by entering the student's information. Select the student's state and then their grade from the associated drop-down lists, then click Next. Now it's time to enter each test's information. It's important to know that the second test date must be within 30 days from the first test date. The tool will not work if the two dates are more than 30 days apart. To enter information for the first test, select the test name from the drop-down list. Next, enter the student's Lexile measure from the test. And finally, enter the date that the test was administered. You can either type the date or select the correct date from the calendar widget. Just repeat those steps to enter the test name, quantile measure, and date for the second test. Now you're ready for the result. Just click Analyze. The student's best estimate quantile measure is highlighted at the top of the page along with their estimated quantile range. Now that your student has their quantile measure, put it to work. Use the quantile measure to find perfectly targeted math lessons for your student with the Quantile Teacher Assistant tool, or connect them to career metrics that motivate with the Quantile Career Database. That concludes this Quick Start tutorial. We'd love to know what you think about the Quantile Measures Manager. Visit support.lexile.com to find more answers or to get in touch with the Lexile and Quantile team. Thanks for watching!